So what are we putting on our cake? Icing, and you're eating all of it. Hello YouTube fam. So I'm here with the baby today and we're actually about to bake a cake. I feel like this is the perfect time to teach our children, no matter how old they are, how to cook. So we will be baking a cake.
We're making a cake now.
We're making a cake. Tell them, say we're making a cake.
We're making a cake.
So we need eggs. How many eggs are in here?
Let's see.
It says we need 3 eggs on here.
Yeah. Let's see.
I think all these eggs are broken. See this 1, 2. Let's find a 3rd egg. Okay, let's put this in the trash. There's no more eggs in here. Okay, let's grab the other eggs out of the fridge. Where are the eggs?
I see some here.
Okay.
Now let's get it.
Can you get it? It's too heavy. Oh, wow. Okay. No, don't crack it yet.
It's a little egg.
Come on, come get another egg.
Birdies living eggs.
Birdies live in eggs?
Yeah, inside.
Yep.
Because that's why they're turned to eggs.
Okay, look, come grab another egg out of here. Look. Here. You need 1 more egg.
Okay, my mom. I can't open it. There's a lot of eggs open.
No, we just need 3. How many is that? We only need 3.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So count your eggs.
1, 2, 3, 3.
Huh?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Now you need 3 eggs to put on in this there.
Okay, just leave it there on the side. Leave it there.
Yeah.
Okay, so it says we need water. Where do you find the water at?
Okay. Okay, my mom.
We need some water. Where's the water?
Let's check.
Where's the water?
Yeah. Give me a second. It smells like Pop-Tart, like that.
Pop-Tarts?
Yeah. Smell it, Mommy.
Mmm.
It smells like chocolate mousse cake.
Wow. Okay, let's crack your egg. You know how to crack it? A little bit. Go ahead. Good job, Minnie. Now put your egg here. Good job. No, don't eat it.
It smells good.
You don't eat the raw eggs, Minnie.
It smells good.
No, that's the cake that smells good.
It smells like.
Now open it. Good job.
We got 3 eggs left. Got
Whoa. Good job.
That's a lot.
Yep. Okay, that's enough.
Okay. This is already there.
Now we have to add our oil.
Yeah.
Just a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Woo, that's enough. Okay, don't forget to get all the way down at the bottom, okay?
Mom, look at it turning to.
Oh, wow. Do you want me to get the machine to blend it or no?
I don't know.
You got it? Such a strong baby. Look at you. Good job. Don't eat it. No. Good job. Keep going.
It's on my hand.
You're doing such a good job. Hold the bowl. Wow.
Is it enough?
A little bit more.
Enough?
A little bit. Be careful. All right, that's enough. All right, stop there.
That's a lot. That is a lot. One of this.
Okay, on the bottom one. Hold on. Go to this side.
There you go.
Now, where's the other one? On the top. Good job, Minnie. Yep. Now we have to wait for it to bake.
It's growing?
Not yet.
I don't know what you're doing. I say growing.
Not yet. Is your cake finished?
Okay, come on.
Let's go see.
It's not growing.
Not yet.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mommy, I saw it grow. Come check it. Look,
It is growing a little bit.
it did. You want me to take the down one out?
Not yet. Come on, let's go. You have to wait a little bit.
Just sit down over here.
Come on.
Go to the other side, Mom.
You want me to sit on the other side and wait with you? Lord.
Not fun, Mom.
So did you enjoy making your first cake?
Yeah. Here.
It's not finished, babe.
So, Mom, come here.
Huh?
Come here.
It's not ready yet.
Come here, Mom.
I can tell. I'm an expert. So once it's brown, we'll take it out.
Okay.
After we stick a toothpick in it. So right now it's nobody's birthday, but we're just baking a cake.
Buy our stuff to eat.
Yep. It's gonna be so yummy.
Okay.
And who do you want to share your cake with? Because you have two of them.
I want to sell it with.
Ava?
Yeah.
Oh, Ava. Rachel wants to share her cake with you. Aww. But Ava lives all the way in Texas.
Okay. Check it. Look at this one.
The anticipation.
Come.
It's not ready yet, baby. Don't cry. Come here.
Even a
Red rainbow black cake. It's here.
This one?
No, this one.
This.
Grab two.
Okay. Okay,
Now let's go check.
Okay.
Okay, like take only two out. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, now let me show you what we're gonna do.
We're gonna pitch it.
Move back.
Oh my goodness!
I don't think it's ready yet.
I think I'm gonna pitch it.
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
It's gonna be a little.
See, it's not ready. It's not ready. See, look. It's not ready. Almost. Yeah, it's not ready. So now we're playing the waiting game again. Do 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 do. You're such a cool kid. Look at you. Wow.
Mom, I think it's ready.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Okay. Watch out.
This one is actually brown.
I know, but I don't know if it's ready.
It is brown.
Yep, it's ready. Let me take it out, okay? Our cakes are out of the oven, so we just have to wait for them to cool.
Yeah, Mommy.
Are you excited?
Can I put it here?
No, on here. Wow, you're gonna put all of them?
Yeah.
You're not gonna leave no sprinkles for the other cake?
Yeah.
So you just want sprinkles on this one?
Yeah, okay.
That's it? She just wants sprinkles on this cake. Okay, that's it. It's finished.
Now we need the cream on another one.
So the cake is still a little warm, but she's so in a hurry. She wants to just look at it. Look at this. Babe, you gotta slow down, okay? Go slow, okay? Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, so messed up.
I know. It's okay. You just have to go slow. You got caught. Hold it tight. Okay, guys, so here is the finished product. She's ready to eat her cake. Go ahead and cut it. How do you want to cut it?
I'm going to cut it in pieces.
Wow. You're definitely destroying this cake. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna get you this piece right here.
Yeah. I put it in the plate.
Okay, get you a plate.
Where?
You gotta pull the bottom one out. You want a plastic bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. This cake is very soft.
Yeah. This cake is so good.
Let me know how it tastes. Taste the cake.
Okay.
You made it. It's so yummy. High five. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you for the piece, Mommy.
You're welcome. That cake is really good. You did such a good job, babe.
I'm the best cook.
You're the best cook. I didn't know you could cook like that. Oh my God. You're like a natural.
I am.
You are?